This is Alex, who's struggling with writing a market research report for his class project. He feels overwhelmed by the pressure to gather and organize up-to-date information. Liner can help you quickly find specific information about the market landscape, such as current trends and updates on key players. Liner provides an organized answer that is easily digestible. But getting the information is not enough. It has to be up to date. Let's adjust this filter. This will ensure that Liner searches only from web pages that are published within the past month. These sources not only help you verify if the given information is reliable, but also allow you to dig information deeper. You can use the entire set of results as a reference for your report, since the content is provided in the answer with sources listed on the side. Start researching smarter with Liner.